I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You'll start by ensuring your Google account is active on the iPhone because that's the source you'll sync. Go straight to Settings, choose Contacts, then Accounts, select your Google account and enable Contacts. Once done, open the Google Contacts app or web view to confirm the contacts you expect exist in Google. This prevents surprises. Make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection, so the initial sync can transfer all entries without partial lists or duplicates. Next, you'll clean and organize in Google so the iPhone shows a tidy list. In Google Contacts, use the Merge and Fix tool to remove duplicates. This avoids syncing redundant entries. Then add labels to group people. Labels translate to iPhone groups when synced, making browsing faster. After that, on iPhone, set default account in Contacts settings to your Google account so new contacts save to Google and remain consistent across devices. This reduces fragmentation and keeps everything centralized. To finish, open your iPhone Contacts app and pull down to force a refresh. Make sure the Google group is visible in the Groups menu so you only see Google Contacts. If contacts don't appear, turn Contacts off for the Google account, wait a minute, then turn it back on to prompt a resync. If the problem persists, sign out of the Google account on the iPhone and re-add it. That full reset often clears stubborn syncing issues. One tip: check iCloud contacts are hidden if you want Google only.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.